Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change a region on Steam. So first you just have to simply open your Steam and then log into your account. Now this is what it looks like and this is a very easy tutorial. If you go to this part right here in the top right corner, you will see your options like your profile, your account, store preferences, change language, sign in and out. So what you want to do to simply change your region is you have to click view my profile and then you have to set up your Steam profile first. Okay, to do that, you have to tap this green button here. Now you can see different options and features like general, avatar, and so on. We have your about, we have your general, but what you want to do is just simply scroll down till you see a location. Okay, and then below location you can see your country, and all you have to do is just simply select your country. You can also select your state or province here, and you can also add your city, but everything is up to you because it's optional. Now once done, all you have to do is to recheck and then tap save. Now if you go to your profile, or if you have any transaction here on Steam, and if it includes information such as your region or country, you will see that your region or your country has been changed. And that's how easy it is to change region on Steam. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.